So if a $40 item is on sale for 25% off, and then there's an additional 15% off, we're going to do this discount in 2 separate steps. So our total is 40, or our whole is 40, and we're going to look for the part. How much are we paying for? If it is 25% off, that means that we are paying for 75% of it. So since percents are out of 100, we do 75 over 100. Then we are going to cross multiply and divide. So you can do that part on your calculator and you should get the part is 30. So now that we've taken the 25% off, we get to take the 15% off of this new amount. And percents are always out of 100. If we are getting 15% off, then we are paying for 85% of it. And percents are out of 100. We want to use a different variable here just so that way we're not confusing the amount after the first discount with the final price. So cross multiply, then divide. And the final amount, after you multiply 30 and 85 together and divide it by 100, should come out to $25.50. Now on to problem 3. The merchandise from problem 3 starts at 24 and it goes up to 30. The problem is asking us to find the markup rate. So we started at 24, which means that is our whole value. Remember, set up the 100 on the bottom. We are looking for the percent. But if it's marked up, we want to know by how much. How much did it increase from 24 to 30? One way you can figure that out is through subtraction. And you would find that it increased by $6. So the increase goes above the whole. Now we cross multiply. So 6 times 100 is 600. And divide by 24. Which gives you 25. And since that was above the 100, that's the percentage that we're going to use. So our answer here is 25% of a markup. And that's it.